Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the one and only attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I may say attack. Some viewers and subscribers around the world, anyone a day, in the square and the corners. Me I say, big up on yourself. You understand? But people, on a real level right now, me I talk to my Jamaicans them, my Jamaican brethren them, my Jamaican attacking fans them, the eye them. Me know it's a lot of one, you know. You know what I mean? When we're there, especially in our states, in certain parts, you know, as a Jamaican, truthfully and realistically, we feel tough. We feel like we are the heaviest thing, we are the baddest thing. You understand? Because you know we think go background from yard and you know the vibes there, oh we are forward from. But me I tell you, truth, you know, brethrens and brethrens. You know, so upon a real level, it better we build and just humble ourselves. You know what I mean? No joke about it. And if we shall humble ourselves sometime and just drop that thing that we have a yard that carry with we, yo, life will go further for we. You see me? Life will go further for we and go greater and better. See? And I'm referring to a story that I'm talking about now, my viewers and subscribers, involving where a 30-year-old Jamaican man is dead, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. So over there in our place in America, my people, with them call name Vermont in a Burlington, my people, you have this 30-year-old Jamaican youth. You see me? A lot of people know him, my people, them call him Bunny, and his correct name is Fvll Williams. So, unfortunately, my viewers and subscribers, on Saturday, you understand that a Saturday, the 24th of August 2024, my people, there was an incident, my people, over there in a Vermont, you understand, involving this young man and a 22-year-old female, my viewers and subscribers. Well, it is said allegedly, my people, there was at a bar, you understand, and then him and this 22-year-old female have an altercation. You know what I mean? Her name is Alia Johnson. So them say during this altercation, this youth, my people, the 30-year-old Jamaican youth, managed it, you know what I mean, basically beat her up, my people. You know what I mean? In front, people say, well, go on. So after the fight and everything, people who working at the bar manage to come, say, boom, and push them out to, or get them outside. You know, I'm not push like I run them, but get them out, just say, you know what I mean, squash the thing, no make no fight, go on and make it escalate to a different level, push them out through, get them out through, separate doors, my people. Them say, she go her way, the youth was there still hanging around. You know, say as a Jamaican man there at the bar, he might all a vibe, same way, him don't know, say, he maybe beat up a girl. I never get no information if she and him involved in an intimate relationship, or they were just friends, or they just managed to have an argument at a bar where lead up to where him beat her up. You understand, I never get the information pertaining to that part. But as I'm saying, people, back to basic, two separate doors. Zane, she go her ways, he was still there hanging around. Them say shortly after that, my people, them won't go hear a gunshot fire. Bap, 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 bap. Can't beat up. See? You know, people are going to run, people are going to get scared with people after that. You know what I mean? Them not hear no more shot fire. Them go there in the vicinity of the area where they hear the shots fired. When they look, they found this young man on the ground. That's Tevin, my people. Fvll Williams, suffering from gunshot wounds. They managed to try CPR and him and thing, my people. Police who was there, a bystander police who was nearby, managed to call other police. Them rush him to the hospital, my people, and from there, he was pronounced dead. Them say a short while after, a few minutes after, this 22-year-old female, she was arrested, my people. And during this arrest, they find her with a strap, my people, a 45 caliber pistol. You understand? They found spent shells on the ground and things. So she's in custody now, pertaining to the murder of this Jamaican youth, my people. My viewers and my subscribers, as me I say, a lot of time we make anger take we over. You understand? And you see, the first point where we can make in a life is to walk away. Because you see, when two mouths meet together, it just gonna reach further. And if you continue there, and as me tell people, And me said the first part of the video, a lot of us Jamaicans, and we have referred to my country because we are talking a Jamaican youth now, who not live no life yet, who is just 30-year-old, and he's no longer with us. Zane, a lot of times people, if we can just, you see when we say the motor reach a certain level, be the bigger one, be the man. Use a man, you know, walk away. Leave this 22-year-old female alone. Make sure did it with herself argue, whether you're in a relationship or what, give her a break. Because my people, especially over foreign, for them get the strap them, it's so easy. And we hear about these type of incident over and over. It's like singing a song. It happened daily, my people, where a lot of people lose them life based on firearms and them thing, my people, especially in a domestic affair and them thing there. So be the man. You know what I mean? Step away, give her a break. But when you go make something escalate where witnesses can say, him beat her up, my people. Come on, man. Come on. Even doing them, we understand saying beat her up, the manage to break them up, push them in a separate door. So basically she forward, you know what I mean, and she murder him. No joke about it, my people. Which him beat her up, she could help herself. The best thing what she could have done was go make a report to the police or whatever, my people. But it's just unfortunate to know, say, you understand, it reached to a level where this youth could be a man. You know, for reach a level where you have to use physical altercation against a female, bro. Use 30, she's 22. We understand, see, her mouth can be hot. She can make the threats to you, so she will do this and do that. But in the end, she do you something, no. So that's why I say, my people, the best move and method we can make is for just walk away. You understand? Just leave certain things alone, because it never have to reach to that point, my people. You see me? And just imagine how the family of this young man, you know what I mean, I cope with this right now. Just imagine the family of this 22-year-old female, how them a cope with this right now. Because if you lose your loved one, because basically a two life that gone, you know. Because she end up go to prison, my people. There's no life here there. You understand? Him dead and gone. So him life literally gone. But no life in their prison. And I thought that over and over. There's no life in prison, my bro. Nothing like your freedom on road. You understand? But sadly, and I'm sending my deepest condolences to the family of this young man. You understand? May his soul rest in peace. I've seen a lot of people push out them love, them condolences. I saw a comment where a female say, oh my God, who are going to come ask me for food now? Who are going to ask me if everything alright? Who are going to ask me if we come have a drink now? You understand? Me can't believe you're gone. You get what I'm saying, my people? These things, so if people out there, man, yard, man, you know what I mean, our Caribbean brethren and other brethren over the world, man, look at, let's just sometime think before we make that move there. You understand? Instead of make we on them easy if we get so busy and try to do something to somebody, let's just think before. Because you may think, say, yo, maybe a box her in her face or maybe push her away, and then, you know, that is it. You know what I mean? Because me a the man, she have to understand, yo, girl, you this me, you know, yo, girl, me a man, you have to respect. You get what me I say? But a lot of these female, especially my people in the States, we are taught that them different. If you notice how some of them female roll like them even more than a man. No joke about it, my people. Them different. Them a take all type of substance in them brain cell, my people. Them not think. You understand? So for you protect your 3 points, you have to be the thinker. Because the devil is loose out there now. And the devil just want, he just want, if you just start like that, and then him the film part, him just control you. You see me? But it's a sad situation. You see me? It's not nice. You know, say, yo, as a yard man, you go a foreign, my people, you go for better. You know what I mean? I better you go find her, because there's no way a man should left him country, not just Jamaica, left a country. Because me believe if you for guard the state, my people, left your country so you want guard the state, you must guard the state for better. You must not go there for the and I do certain things depend corner and I do this and say you're a bad man and this and that. If I that the method you depend in our state, really and truly, I just need to take you up and fling you back done so. You understand? You don't deserve for the make somebody get the space or get the chance who want better for them life and who are seeking better opportunity. But if this is what they really want, my people, if you just go over there and bad man is him and tough up and this and that, that's a waste of time. That's like garbage to me. No joke about it. But as I say, my people, it's a sad situation, but I hope others who may find themselves in situation like this, they can think before they make the move there. You know what I mean? It's a real sad one, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, you know. Young local youth, young girl, two life there, so oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So my people, big up on yourself and more love, more respect and more blessings. And just thank you all for the love, for the support, for the like, the share and every comments. And I don't know, say I one team, I one dream, I one scheme of people. And just remember, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, you know what I mean, X, you don't know them. So TikTok, they just follow we see them, we Snapchat my people. I don't know. I just blessing my people and stay safe. Attack them NEWLINK. Peace out, blessings, be good, be great and be safe.